Time is the most valuable thing that we have to spend full stop. We can use our time or we can waste it, comma, just as we can use or waste our money, full stop. There is one very important difference between time and money. However, full stop. All the people who are reading those words on different amounts of money know two people, comma, in all probability would be found to have just the same sum, comma, down to the last penny, comma, if all the money to which they had a right were put down on the table, full stop. But everyone has the same amount of time, full stop. We all have our 24 hours each day, comma, and for every one of us the hour will supply just 60 minutes of time, comma, no more and no less, full stop. The minute will give us 60 seconds, comma, no more and no less, comma, and there is nothing whatever that we can do about it, comma. Try as we may, full stop. Sometimes we long to make the time pass more quickly because we are waiting for something wonderful to happen and sometimes, comma, we long to make the time pass less quickly because we like the present moment so much, full stop. Science, comma, which has done such wonderful things, comma, has not yet found a way to change this regular passing of time, full stop.